Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. My company is DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. And here we're at a house where we restored siding that's like 35 years old, a little neglected. Some of it was old, some was new. We repaired some wood framing, replaced some wood on the siding. Up top, we replaced the gable vent up at the peak and some more siding up there. We then restored all the wood, the older wood, and we put it all together and used our deck and wood stain, our Deck Restoration Plus deck and wood stain. The tone is maple shade brown, and that's what we used on here. But we're really talking today about our restoration process. And in restoration, what we really truly do is we take that old wood, we can match it up as close as we can with the new wood. This is all going to kind of tie together over the next couple of weeks and all kind of blend. And over the course of the next year, you won't be able to tell the new wood from the old wood. And we were able to restore and keep a lot of that old wood. We didn't have to take it all down and redo the whole thing. So we were able to accomplish that with our restoration process. Restoration is actually a two-step process where they're cleaning or stripping, and then we're brightening and restoring the wood through that two-step process. Either cleaning or stripping, and then brightening is the second step. And we get that wood back to that nice natural color, and then we go ahead and we can put on a coating and make it look great. Painters struggle with a lot of this stuff. Some painters are really good in how to restore wood. Restoration is different than painting, and that's what we specialize in. That's what we do. Deck Restoration Plus for all your restoration needs.